Hello everybody and welcome to another Beyblade video on Citrus Ninja Gaming, and this time I have another unboxing video. So this is Lucifer The End Code Drift, owned by Lane Valhalla, or Lane Valhalla, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, parts are the Lucifer 2 chip, the End ring, the code disc, and the drift driver. Which drift sounds like the driver that would go on an Emperor Fornius evolution. Yet it's not, because there isn't one. So let's just open this up. Okay. That's one piece of tape. And that's the other. Okay. Here we go. Ooh yeah. I'm not gonna put these stickers on because it's probably too painful. So now, let's get all this out. Oh, drift. There's Co. And let me just make sure of something. Yep, Co is the new 12 disc, kind of. And that's Lucifer to the End. Okay. Okay, I think I have everything ready for this. Let's do that for last. So we have the drift driver, which is basically, oh my god, look how dirty this is. It's basically just an upgraded Mobius driver, but Mobius is a better name than Drift in my opinion. So it's gray, so it gets less dirty. That's nice. As you can see, Mobius only has a washer inside, so it doesn't spin for long. But then Drift, I believe, has a bearing, or just something better than a washer. I don't know. And then it has this piece right here to lower the center of gravity. That makes it pretty chunky. Whereas Mobius only has like these claw-like things that act like a cage to like protect the mechanism. Drift is a bit shorter than Mobius, so it should be normal height, I believe. What's a drift? Oh, okay, let's just get bearing out here. It is actually slightly smaller than normal height as well. Let's get Eternal, wherever my Eternal is. Oh, there it is. It is slightly taller than Eternal as well. Yeah, so it's smaller than a normal height, but taller than short height. Okay. These heights are getting kind of complex. Then we have the Co disc, which is a limit break exclusive disc. Let me get those other two out. So we have Cho, O, and Co now. So Cho has the arrows here and here, which means It activates limit break on after the first click on right spin and after the third click on left spin. O has the arrows here and here, which means it's after the second click no matter which direction. And then Co has the arrows here and here, which means it does it on the third click for right spin and after the first click for left spin. So let's just showcase that right now. So we have this. 1, 2, oh, I think I did a double click in the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. Then let's get Helios Volcano. And this should activate immediately, right? That way. Yep. Okay. And then we'll show it on Lucifer The End after I go through everything about this. So first, the Lucifer 2 chip. So let me get my Lucifer 1 chip out, because I have a variant Lucifer right here. Oh no, you can see the O disc. So we have Lucifer 1, or just Lucifer, and Lucifer 2. Lucifer does not like this lighting. So aside from obviously being horizontal, it's actually it's the heaviest chip in the game if you disregard metal chip cores, because Solomon with a normal chip core is lighter than this, but then with a metal chip core, it's heavier than this, slightly. So this is the heaviest chip I'm gonna own, yeah! And then, oh, look at the underside. Like, this is just standard ledges or slopes, whatever you want to call them. Then this, this is so weird. It's like this rubber piece here in the middle kind of acts like the Gen weight from Dread Bahamut, or just some other releases as well. Because this is supposed to press on this part of the driver where the sticker would go. And let me just... Oh, wow. It does not give the driver any leeway, I'm pretty sure. It's kind of hard to do this. I'm gonna just... Wow, variant Lucifer 2. Yeah, it's kind of weird because it just like slides through those teeth. So now let's go on to the end. I have to find out how to lock this thing in real quick. Okay, I believe I know. So first, we have the teeth. They're just 4 teeth on each side, like the other 2 limit break rings. This is a right spin only ring, just like Burn. It's kind of weird to have this clear part in the middle. Also, I do not know what that background noise is, but it's very annoying. I'm very sorry. So this thing has a couple of gimmicks. So one gimmick is that these 3 black contact points are supposed to compress a tiny bit. You can see it compress a bit if I push in for like shock absorption. Then, of course, it has the limit break, which, let's just do this on the full combo because why not? So we have limit break The End. So should take 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, just only pressed one of the 2 buttons. Let's try that again. I don't think I lined this up correctly. Should be good right now. Yep, okay. I might have put it on the opposite way that I put it the last time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. What? I'm very confused. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Boom. So that's its limit break gimmick. It pushes down, and then we have this free spinning part and this free spinning part. The lighting is kind of bad. But yeah, it's the fidget spinner Beyblade. We had social distancing and fidget spinner now. Great. So I believe on the box it says orient it like this, and because OCD I have to do it like this. So if you try to push it in misaligned, it'll just push out, but you can twist it into place. Or you can just like push it into that standard position, I think. Oh no, it doesn't want to do that. Okay, so just twist it in and then it locks in better. So let's see if this wants me to put it together or not. Okay. There we go. Looks kind of funky if you have it in this orientation. So yeah, oh, now the limit break wants to work. I think it's because I wasn't putting it together the way it was intended to be put together. Alright, so I'm going to do it again. Yeah, now it works. So you have to twist it into place. That's better. And of course you can lock it in this way, or you can lock it in the opposite way, like that, which I think I like that better, slightly. Okay, time for spin test. This is just a soft launch in the B0 or in the standard type stadium. Let's see. Okay. It wobbles a bit. That's probably because of the Lucifer 2 chip. Let's go for a hard launch. Oh my god. Drift is scraping like a madman. Okay, I'm gonna go for a tilt launch. Hopefully it doesn't scrape too much. Oh, it's kind of satisfying to see this thing just drift. Definitely deserves the name. Okay, I'm gonna just limit break it and launch it like that real quick. Not that you're allowed to do this in tournaments. This thing has insane LED. Oh my god. Okay, let me just align this and put it back together. I just want to do a couple of test battles. Oh yeah, I also didn't show this thing on Cho or O. So I'm gonna put it on O first because it's gonna be less climactic or more anticlimactic, whichever way you want to say it. Okay, so, oh, that didn't lock in correctly. Right. This thing's kind of weird to put together, I'll say. No, I did not do that correctly. There we go. That should work. So we have O on here, which actually looks really satisfying. So, 1, 2. Cool. And then let's put the Cho disc on here and line it up. Did I do that? I didn't hear a satisfying click, but you know what? We'll find out right now. Ah, okay. That was weird. There we... Oh no. I'm kind of weird. Not used to such a complex locking mechanism. There we go. So it unlocks on the first click. Although I'm pretty sure the momentum from unlocking it might just make it burst in 1 or 2 shots. But I don't know. Hopefully not. I'm hoping Lucifer The End is not terrible. Or just the end in general. Okay, test battles right now. So first let's put this thing up against first Uranus exceed 1A. Just have it in that combo because I feel like it. Okay, let's... Oh, I see limit break. Oh, what? What? It just beat this thing with a burst finish. What? It even used the limit break. Although I don't know if it did the limit break because the disc went into the correct position, or if it's because of the hard hits. Okay, now we have variant Lucifer Mobius 2D with the 2D awakened, because I don't like normal 2D. I may or may not have hit Lucifer The End with my finger. Yeah, these things don't have stamina at all. Or same spin stamina. You know what, I'm just gonna go into this dash type stadium because I really like it. I know other people don't like it because it's not competitive or whatever. Talking from the perspective of a competitive player here. Oh! Wow. Oh, great. Okay, let's just put this up against variant Lucifer. Yeah, I have a feeling that this thing is not good in same spin if it's losing to variant Lucifer Mobius 2D. Okay, let's put this up against Hyperion Burn. Oh, Hyperion's limit break. And it lost to Hyperion burn. What? Okay, yeah, this thing definitely needs a combo change. Let's just do this one more time. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna not count that. Limit break the end activated. And so did limit break burn. And still, okay. Yeah, drift is not the best driver to put this thing on for same spin battles. So on that note, let's try an opposite spin battle with Helios Volcano. Let's see if either one does a limit break. I doubt it, but it's possible. Okay. Helios won that one. Now let's launch this thing first. I feel like the optimal play would be switching the Hyperion 2 and Lucifer 2 chips for when they're being used on Burn and the End, because Burn really needs the burst resistance, and again that was Helios. Let me just limit break this and then we can roll with it. So yeah, Hyperion needs the burst resistance. Lucifer wants a bit more stamina, so just swap the chips and it should be good. Let's see if the limit break lowering the center of gravity is good enough. Yeah, okay. I still think Helios won that by a tiny bit. That might also be because Ko is on this thing, and because the Lucifer 2 chip is weird. But yeah. Why does this feel like it's way too zoomed out? Okay, I don't like that when it's zoomed in though. So I'm just gonna hold it. Compromise. So let's see, what are my final thoughts on this thing? Lucifer 2 might see some use on a handful of things, mainly things with a single chassis, or this son of a gun. The End, it's hard to form an opinion on because, you know, it's a weird ring that not a lot of people have tested so far. Might be good for simply opposite spin stuff. Ko, I think it's going to be decent on Burn, because it makes the limit break activate on the last click, unless it just activates because of hard impacts, which would suck. Then this thing, Drift, is top tier in stamina, so, I mean not stamina, LAD, so that's going to be nice. So yeah, overall not the greatest Beyblade, but has some parts that you can just distribute among other combos, and maybe have some success. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Please slice that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below a video you'd like to see. I'm going to try to be a bit better about it in 2021 and throughout this winter break that I'm having. So, thank you all for watching, and see you guys next time.